Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, For Whom the Ball Rolls. Written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 5. A Good Dose of Reality. Soon. So this is the room where we'll build our robots, and our bedrooms are up here. This is my room, and this is yours.
I'm not sleeping in there. I'm sleeping with you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
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 No, you're not. Ugh. You're sleeping in here, and that's final! Ugh. Okay, chapter 1.
No, I'm not.
Alright, fine! If you were going to act like that, then no bedtime story for you! But then...
Hey, Papa, how come Dogman and ADHD can't live with us?
Because they can't.
Why?
Because it just wouldn't work out.
Why?
Because I'm smart and they're a couple of boneheads.
Why?
Would you cut that out?
Why?
Because we're having a serious conversation.
Why?
I don't know. You started it.
Why?
Because you don't realize how good you've got it.
Why?
Because you have a papa who loves you.
You do?
Well, duh! Look, kid, I'm trying to be good to you. I want to give you what I never had. When I was a kid, my papa didn't care about me at all. He took off and left my mom and me all alone.
He did?
Yup, and I never saw him again.
Hey, I know. Let's find him.
Are you crazy? I never want to see that guy again.
But maybe he's sorry, Papa. Maybe he changed.
Look, I know you think everybody is a good guy deep down inside, but that's just not reality. The real world is filled with losers and bullies. The real world is a horrible place. It's mostly misery and selfishness out there. That's reality. I'm sorry, kid. I'm just trying to protect you. Now go to sleep.
Good night, Papa. Good night, Dogman and ADHD!
What's the big idea? I thought I told you guys to let go.
Hi, fellas.
You get back into bed right now. Alright, listen up, you two. Maybe we can work something out. What if the kid lives with me during the week and he lives with you guys on the weekends? I mean, we could just, No! Wait! Joyorama! Warning, extreme kissing and hugging ahead. Flip at your own risk. Ready? Enough! Now get out of here before I change my mind! Huh? Chapter 6. A bunch of stuff that happened next. Meanwhile, back at Cat Jail, Big Jim was getting ready for bed. Hey! How come we have to carry you, Peggy? Because I'm the brains of this squad. I can't waste my energy on menial tasks like walking. Now buzz off while I work my magic. But how are you going to do it, Peggy? How are you going to turn him into a cupcake? I'm not going to turn him into a cupcake! I'm going to hypnotize him. Then we can make him do whatever we want. Watch and learn, chumps. You are getting sleepy. Gee, I'm getting sleepy. You are feeling suggestible. Wow, I'm feeling some vegetables. You shall obey our every command. Hey, I'm gonna obey these weird voices in my head. Hey, Crunky, I just got an idea. Come on. Hey, Kitty Cat, I've got a command for you. There's a speck of dirt in your left ear. Get rid of it.
Okay. Duh, hi, I'm Nerd and Moss. Let's be friends.
Aha!
Hey, now that Piggy is gone, let's turn this cat into a cupcake.
Wait, I've got a better idea.
Oh!
Meanwhile... My papa didn't care about me at all, and I never saw him again.
Let's find him. ADHD, I'm gonna go back to sleep. When you find my grandpa, bring him back here, okay?
As a hopeful hero pierces the twilight, a nefarious new villain schemes in the shadows. Who is this new newcomer? And what new evil plans are up his newly pressed sleeves?
I'm not new! It's me, Dr. Scum! I was in the first book, remember?
Oh yeah! Sorry about that.
Anyway, I've been designing an army of evil robots. I call them crime crabs. They're powerful enough to destroy the earth. But can they defeat Dogman?